Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna talk about an Indian personalized hair care brand, and the brand is Traya. And guys, they have sent me some of their products after analyzing my hair, and I have been using their products more than a month now, and now I'm here to talk about their products. So the company says that our approach combines the goodness of three sciences like Ayurveda, dermatology and nutrition, and that is one of my reason to try their products. And guys, other than like normal shampoo, oil, serums, they have some nutritional supplements like hair fall tablets, digestion tablets, multivitamins, etc., which help to cure your problem internally. At first you have to go to on their website and you have to click that free hair diagnosis button, and then you have to fill up your details like email, phone number, etc., and then you have to answer some easy questions. And when you have completed your diagnosis, you will getting a call from their specialist with whom you can discuss your hair related problems. And guys, I'm really very sorry that I can't show you that process because बार-बार call आ जाता है. So anyway, but the process is very easy and very simple. And guys, let me tell you that if you want, you can buy their products directly without hair diagnosis as well, so choice is completely yours. Now let's move on to my kit, and in my kit I have received hair scalp oil, shampoo, hair serum, hair fall tablets and one nasal drop, which is one of their unique product, or you can say one of their unique hair treatment method. And now I'm gonna talk about the products one by one. So the first product I have scalp oil. It priced at rupees 450 and you're gonna get 80 ml of product. It is green in color. You have to apply this only on your scalp, leave it for overnight and then wash it with shampoo. Use it twice in a week. If you have a flaky scalp, then apply it, leave it for 2 to 3 hours and then wash it with shampoo. This oil enriched with 60 herbs and 48 essential oils. It contains bringraj, aloe vera, curry patta, amla, coconut, etc., etc. It stimulates hair growth, improves hair thickness, reduces hair fall, increases blood circulation. So overall, it takes care of your scalp health. Next, come to the shampoo. This is paraben free and sulfate free shampoo. It priced at rupees 300 rupees and you're gonna get 100 ml of product. You need very small amount of product and it lathers very well. It contains essential nutrients like biotin to minimize hair loss and support healthy hair growth. It has niacinamide and pea sprout that help in revitalizing your hair from the root. Move on to the serum. The serum retails for 700 rupees and here you're gonna get 60 ml of product. It has water-like consistency. Now this is not like normal serum. On the dropper of the serum, which has 1 ml mark on it, make sure you are applying only 1 ml directly on the affected areas on your scalp. Do also make sure that cover all the affected areas in 1 ml. If it doesn't spread properly, use your fingertips to gently spread it all over on your scalp and wash your hand with soap. You have to apply this serum twice in a day. It prevents hair loss, promotes healthy hair growth, aids hair regeneration. Next, move on to the hair rush, which is their hair fall tablets, and this hair rush is a superhero mixture of herbs. It retails for 450 rupees and one pack contains 120 tablets. You have to take these tablets 101 format, which means you have to take one tablet in the morning and one tablet at night after your meal with water. It improves hair quality, reduces hair fall and hair damage. It contains powerful herbs like bringraj, ashwagandha, amla, etc. And this herb mix also help to get rid of some health issues like anxiety, loss of energy, laziness, and digestion issues as well. The last product I have this Ghrit nasal drop, and I would say this is a very unique and advanced treatment. It retails for 150 rupees and you're gonna get 10 ml of product. Make sure to put it at your bedtime and pour 3 drops in each of your nostril and breathe in it. A few drop of this nasal drops are considered as powerful as 3-hour session of Sirodhara, aiding better sleep, which reduces excessive stress and indirectly controls hair fall. So guys, I have been using their products more than a month now, and I really like the serum. If you have a baldness problem, then you should try that serum and you can notice the visible result within 30 days. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.